Okay, so good day everyone. We are here now to answer some examples on how to integrate exponential functions. Okay, so these are examples, so we will answer this, no? Sa isa na answer. So number one, evaluate the following. Number one, the indefinite integral of e to the power of 3x dx. Okay. Recall class that the integral of e to the x with respect to x is just equal to e to the x plus c, correct? So, nandara ka simple. Now, but here, the power of e is 3x. Dili na siya variable nga x, no? So, what we're going to do, by use substitution, we let u be equal to 3x, which is the power of e. Then find the derivative. What is the derivative of 3x? 3 dx. Okay. Daw B, wala man ta kakitag constant nga 3, no? Nga nag-exist dapat di dx, so we will divide both sides by 3. So du over 3 is equal to dx. Makancel man na. So, what will happen here? This becomes integral of e to the u times du over 3. Okay? Then, remove out 1/3, so that would be equal to 1/3 integral of e to the u du. So, that is theorem katong how to evaluate the exponential function, though. The integral of e to the u du is simply equal to e to the u plus c, where u is a differentiable function of x, correct? So, here, dali na kayo. So, you just copy the constant 1/3, then integral, na formula, times e to the u plus c by back substitution, meaning to say, atong ibalik ang value ni u sa atong final answer. So, 1/3 e, what is our u? 3x, then plus c. So, that's the answer for example number 1. Okay? So, let's proceed now to example number 2. Now, in number 1, the power of e is positive. Now, what if negative na pud? E to the power of negative 3x. Okay? So, sa itong buhaton, is still the same. Let u be equal to negative 3x. So, du is equal to negative 3 dx. Again, walay negative 3 diri. So, du over negative 3 is equal to dx. So, what will happen here? Integral of e to the u times du over negative 3. Okay, so, remove out negative 1/3. So, negative 1/3 integral of e to the u du. So, dali din kayo. May ka-integrate din tayo using the formula. No, class, no? So, you have here negative 1/3 e. What is the value of our u by back substitution? Negative 3x plus c. Okay? So, that is example number 2. Now, let's proceed to example number 3. The integral of e to the 5x times 5 dx. Observe, this is a pattern, no? You need to see to it na siya pattern, no? So, nanay 5 nga number tapad di dx. So, kung if maglet ka be equal to u to equal to 5x, so du is just simply equal to 5 dx. So, given na siya, class. So, in other words, we can write this as eu du na lang dayon. Ganun na ka-simple. Then, integrate e to the u plus c. Then, by back substitution, your u is 5x, then plus c. Okay? So, simple na kayo ang exponential function when we integrate that. Okay. Consider example number 4. Find the indefinite integral of e to the power of 1 minus 3x with respect to x. Okay, again, mag-let u Japon ta. So, let u be equal to 1 minus 3x. So, what is its derivative? Du is negative 3 dx. The same process, no? Wala man tayong negative 3 di na nakita tapad ni dx. So, du over negative 3 is equal to dx. So, what will happen here? This becomes e, the integral of e to the u times negative du over 3. Okay, so remove out negative 1/3. So negative 1/3, the integral of e to the u du. So dali na din kay class, integrate. Negative 1/3 e to the u. So what is our u gali by back substitution? 1 minus 3x, then plus c. So that is example number 4. So, observe lang ninyo ang mga examples. Dali na kayo siya i-learn. Basta, magnalang kayo pang una nga, unsaon yun siya pag-integrate, no? Number 5. Labas siya pattern. In-ano yun siya? Pattern recognition. Number 5. Find the indefinite integral of x squared times e to the power of x cubed dx. So, para mas dali ni siya class, inyo siyang i-rewrite, no? Para itapad yung x squared dito kang dx. So, the integral of e x cubed x squared dx. Para simple, hanay tanawon. Dali ra ma-solve. Then here, mag-let u din ka kaning power ni e. So, let u be equal to x cubed. So, find its derivative. du is 3x squared with respect to x. Observe na walang 3 dito, no? X squared lang. So, du over 3 is just equal to x squared dx. So, what will happen here? That becomes integral of e to the u times du over 3. The same process sa class yung sa nato na examples 1, 2, 3. Pare-parihara siya. We remove out 1/3 integral of e to the u du. Then 1/3 integrate e. What is your u gali? X cubed. X cubed plus c. So that's the answer. No? So I relate natin ang learn sa examples 1 to 5. Okay. Now consider example number 6. Find the indefinite integral of e to the power of square root of x all over square root of x with respect to x. Okay, so bali na po di siya class kung ato siyang i-plus star. So the integral of e to the power of square root of x times 1 over square root of x dx. No? But sa uban kay mahadlok ka ba din og naay radical, no, ni mga square root, mga cube root. So ato siyang i-rewrite to its equivalent form. So that is the integral of para dali na sa inyo x to the power of 1/2 times 1 over x to the power of 1/2 dx. Okay? Kaya ang uban kakataranta ba jud makita og kuan radical. So mag-let u din ta. Let u be equal to x to the power of 1/2. So what is its derivative? du is 1/2 x to the power of negative 1/2 dx. And that is 1/2. Okay, it's the same na Japan. 1/2 times 1 over x to the power of 1/2 dx. Observe class nga sa pattern, walay constant na 2. 1 over x to the power of 1/2 dx lang. So, du. So, in other words, we'll multiply both sides by 2. So, 2 du is equal to 1 over x to the power of 1/2 dx. So, may tabo diri, the integral of e to the u times, ang value ana? 2 du, no? 2 du. Okay? So, since na ay constant na 2, ato din siyang i-remove out para dali na. So, 2 integral of e to the u du. Then, integrate na dayon. Inamra ka simple. No? So, you will have now 2 e. What is your u gali? U is square root of x plus c. So, that is the answer. Kaya kani siya, square root of x, naman dyan po na siya, no? Ato lang gilit nyo para makuha ninyo diretso yung derivative. Okay? So, simple na kayo. And our last example, find the indefinite integral of ex plus 1 raised to the second power with respect to x. So, observe, the binomial is raised to the second power. So, before tayo mag-integrate, ato sa siyang i-expand ang binomial. So, we can write this as e to the 2x plus 2e to the x plus 1 with respect to x. Okay. Ato naman siyang gidalit. So, ato naman siyang, sige, ato ipakita na lang. But pasabot anak class, we can write that as e to the x plus 1 times e to the x plus 1 with respect to x. So, siya expand. So, by form method or any method, the distributive method, sa inyong gusto, bahala na mo unsaon. So, this becomes e to the x times e to the x, so e to the 2x, no? Plus, kung ako ni siyang i-expand, this is 2e to the x plus 1 with respect to x. Na iyang expanded form aning binomial. Okay, then integrate na in each, no? So, the integral of e to the 2x dx plus 2 integral of e to the x dx plus the integral of dx. So, kani silang tulo, mao ni gitag-sa nato. Okay? So, integral aning e to the 2x, pare-pareho siya sa number 1. So, you have here 1 half e to the 2x plus 2e to the x plus x plus c. Then, mo na yung answer. Integral niya ani, e to the 2x is 1 half e to the 2x. The integral aning 2 times the integral of e to the x dx, so maura Japon. Integral ni dx with respect to x man ni siya, so x. So, mo na atong answer. So, I really hope natin na-learn aning mga examples. So, don't forget to like and read your questions there sa atong channel. So, daghang salamat for subscribing my YouTube channel. That's all for today.